Franklin's Barbecue has his own charcoal briquettes, full stoke. So I'm gonna try it out. You've seen my other videos before where I've done Kingsford and B&B to see how long each brand could last in the Oklahoma Hills Bronco. So far the B&B has lasted the longest. So I want to put this one to the test to see, you know, how long it'll go with the long burn, because that's what it's all about, especially when you're smoking in the Bronco, when you're doing long cooks, so you don't have to open up the lid and take out the diffuser and then, you know, have to pull more briquettes in there. And you know, let's see how it'll do. I mean, the Bronco is efficient like that, or it can just keep going and going and going. So let's see if this right here briquette's gonna do the same thing and see how long it'll last with one basket. So I got me a Prime 1 point. So it's about, I think, close to 4 pounds. So that's what I'm gonna cook. It's not really about that Prime 1 brisket right there, but I just want to see how long this will last, and in case you're at the store and you see it and you know that, hey, I've seen it or it's lasted and I know I can use it. So let's get to it. Here's a close-up of the bag. No chemical, no fillers, 100% natural hardwood, 12 pounds. Alright, so let's get it in the basket. That's what it looks like. For the long cooks, I'm going to place my cube right there. So the point is that it'll burn this way. It'll take its time. So we'll see how well these briquettes do. Just like that. So we'll give it some time, and once I see that it's white ashed right here pretty good, and I'll put it in the Bronco. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and place the charcoal basket in the Bronco. Yeah, just like that. So I'm gonna put the heat diffuser on, put the grate on, close it up. I'm gonna set it for, you know, my number I go for around 250. So let's get to it. Heat diffuser is on, cook grate is on. So I'm gonna open it up to about the 2. Let's get some good air in there. And then all the way open. Leave it like that. And then I must go for 250. So I'll bring it back when it hits that 250. So 7:25 in the morning, July 1st. So let's see how long it rocks with the Franklin's Barbecue Briquettes. All right, a little over 250. So just gonna cut this back to the 1, and then I'm gonna put on that point. All right, give it a quick little clean. All right, there's the point right there. So I'm gonna let it roll and let's see how well this Franklin's Barbecue Briquettes do in the Bronco. See how long they last. You know, I like doing this stuff. So let's get to it. Yeah, it's been 4 hours, and I gotta say, it's been either at the 250 or just see how it is right now, just a little above. Sometimes it'll go just a little below the 250, but it's been consistent around like that. So far, Franklin's briquettes, they're doing pretty good. You know, they barely moving up and down, but then it'll stay for a while at one spot, but it's not, you know, going down low, going up high. So it's been pretty good. So 4 hours. Let's see what the point looks like. Oh yeah, looks good. That's 4 hours in. So yeah, I'm gonna let it roll and keep on going and see how well, you know, this Franklin's briquette keeps going. All right, 6 hours in with the Franklin's Barbecue Briquets. So pretty good. Like I've mentioned before, it'll be either at 250, just a tad below like it is right here, or just a tad above like that. So let's see after 6 hours how the briquettes are with the point. Yeah, that looks nice. Real nice. And the temp's at internal temp is at 176. So I'm gonna let it go for a little bit more. You know, I'm thinking about doing a Texas stretch on it, so we'll see. But so far, briquettes, Franklin's Barbecue Briquettes, doing real good. Well, after, what is it, 9 hours and 30 minutes, 35 minutes, that point is done. I just left it alone. I didn't wrap it. So if I wrapped it, it would have been done a lot sooner. But hey, it's been a not so hot day here in Texas. So I figured that I could still be out here for, you know, longer than what normally could be. But gotta say, the so far up to this point, Franklin's Barbecue Briquettes, man, they've been holding up, been real well. So I'm gonna get that the point off, but check it out, see what it looks like. Pretty good, huh? And that's no wrap. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it off, let it rest, and then I'm gonna remove the heat diffuser plate, and then we're gonna see how much briquette's left. So let's get to it. Alright, remove the cooking grate. Heat diffuser next. Alright, all ready. Always like this. Let's see how much is left. Ready? Oh, yeah. That's pretty good. After what, 9 hours, a little over 30 minutes. That's pretty good. I say another 3 hours. What do you think? 2 or 3, maybe 4 before completely out. So I'm gonna put the heat diffuser back on and then go from there, you know. All right, let's continue on, see how long it'll last. All right, it's 8:30 p.m. so around 13 hours that the briquettes have been going, sitting at 225. So it did dip down, and it's after 1. That's still open all the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this and remove the heat diffuser plate. Yeah, so you can see it's getting there already. After 13 hours, I say an hour, maybe 2 the most. Could be wrong, but yeah. And I'm gonna leave it like that so we can see. But yeah, we'll bring it back 13 hours in. Let there be light. All right. Oh, we're sitting at 225. The time is 9:47. So that makes it 14 hours sitting at 225. Remove this. Some more light in there. Yeah. Ain't got too much long. Yeah, not much left in there. So maybe another hour. And it'll dip below 200. Once it dips below 200, I'm calling it. But yeah, I mean, obviously at this point, if you're still cooking, you would have added more charcoal even before this, when you got to this point right here. But 14 hours in, that's what it looks like. All right. Once it drops down to 200, I'm calling it. All right. Just below 200. We're just gonna put it at, let's see, 1047. So yeah, 15 hours, a little over 15 hours. So bring it a little closer in. Yeah, I mean, it's done. Obviously, if you're still cooking, you would have put some more briquettes at the like 12-hour mark, 13-hour mark, you know what I mean? But this was just to see how long it'll last. So I got 15 hours. I'm gonna drop down to 200. So I think that's all right. You know, I'd probably buy these Franklin Barbecue Briquets again. You know, I didn't have really an issue with them at all. I mean, if it did go above 250, you saw it. It was barely above 250. If it went below 250, it was just barely below 250. So yeah. And the temps never spiked up at all, even whenever I would open up the Bronco to check the food. And I mean, it stayed pretty good. So yeah, I mean, it didn't drop down. There was no struggling to get it set at a temp. I would keep it around there at the 1. And up top was always open, wide, like always. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty good. I'm digging it. So with that being said, Franklin's Barbecue Briquets, Post Oak. I dig them. I'd buy it again. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. You liked it. You know, just another test right here on this Bronco. So, hope you enjoyed it. As always, folks, thank you for stopping by. Smoke on, everyone.